Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys what I created using this collection. And I think this is one that I got in one of the Echo Park warehouse box sales. I can't remember if I bought it on my own or if I got it as part of the sale. But yeah, this came in handy because I was showing my nephew all those like gratitude journals I made and everything. And I was on FaceTime with him and he's 2 and he goes, "I want one," in like the cutest voice ever. And I was like, "Okay, I'll make you one, no problem." And I had to show him the paper I had. So I have like a kids section for paper and it had like farm animals, it had dinosaurs, and I forgot what else I had. And he ended up choosing the dinosaurs collection. So he wanted this. And so it's more of a vintagey collection. I don't know how to use it like otherwise. So I was very happy he chose this because I was like, it's not a paper that I even like. So I'm glad I'll get a chance to use some of it. But this is what the papers look like. And I mean, now since I started it, I'm going to have to create something else with this because I can't just have an open pack of paper. It bugs me. It's going to be on my project cart until I use it up because I want to use up all the paper. So once I start a collection, I do try really hard to finish it. So I did also use some stickers here and there from the collection. So I hope I could figure out what to do with the rest of this. But let me show you guys what I created. It's a little journal for him and I'm going to show you guys. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so using this collection, I created this cute journal. You guys know I've been making a bunch of these. I did a bunch of like, I think it was fall themed ones, and I'll be doing some more Christmas. But in the meantime, here's a little break from all that to show you guys a dinosaur one. Like you guys never have seen dinosaurs on my channel ever before because it's just not something I normally create. Do you remember when you told me you wanted a journal?
Yeah.
Yeah, you remember? Do you remember the theme? What was it?
No.
Was it dinosaurs?
Yeah, dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs?
Yeah,
well,
dinosaurs.
I made it for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look.
Dinosaurs.
What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Look, you also asked me for some car stickers. You remember?
Dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Car
Stickers, yeah. But this is a half-size composition book. It turned out so cute. I even used stickers from the collection to make my own little paper clips because I don't have any dinosaur paper clips, and I was just like, I need some things peeking out of here. So that's what I did. I used some sticker here as my strip. The cover I have saying that it says, "Adventure, explore, curious journey, be brave, wild and free, wander and discover." And I wanted to include some dinosaurs here as well. So he knows this is like his little dinosaur book. And then the back cover looks like this. And then I realized like this would have been a great front cover, but I'm also happy with how this turned out also. So this is the back, just some paper from the collection, and I cut it up so that this was like the focus on the back. Oh, and the half-size composition books I got from Walmart. This is what they look like. They come in a 10-pack. I don't know if you guys need 10 or not, but they do come in a 10-pack. I don't know if they are still available. They were a couple weeks ago. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't. I'll have a link down below in case you guys wanted to get some. And I'm wondering if it does sell out and if it's gone, should I make like kits with these? I'm wondering. So I could make like a kit and cut up some of the paper so that you guys can make your own books or whatever and include like one of the notebooks. I'm wondering if you guys would be interested in something like that. Let me know. And I could include maybe like a button, like paper clip kind of thing, so you guys could decorate however you want. It's a little bit of ribbon. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. But so this opens up like this, And here I just have this with a cut apart, and it says T-Rex, the king of the dinosaurs. And then that just goes into this pocket here, and I have some stickers that says Dinos Rule. This I have paper clips in here because in addition to this journal that my nephew wanted, he said he wanted some stickers, and he wanted car stickers, not dinosaur stickers, not whatever. He wanted car stickers, but a dinosaur journal. So that's what I made for him. And I mean, it's not for any occasion. He just wanted it, so I'm including it in here. I'm gonna put that on the side for now. What does a dinosaur say? Does it go roar? But here's one of the paper clips that I created. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Velociraptor? I don't even know. It kind of sounds like velocity with like some kind of dinosaur, so Velociraptor maybe. But anyway, so that was a sticker. I backed it onto black, and then I backed it onto a patterned paper, and in between a paper clip. So I just sandwiched it on there. And this has tabs, so this is like my first divider. I'll put this back now so you guys could see. And I'm just, you know, he could stick these stickers in here if he'd like, or he could use them elsewhere. So then he has a bunch of pages to color, journal. I mean, he can't write yet, but he could use the pen and pencils or markers or whatever he wants, or just stick the stickers all over here.
Dinosaur.
Yeah, it's another dinosaur. That's the same one. It's a Velociraptor.
No, this.
That's the same thing.
A CP.
Yeah, same thing. You like it all? I guess so. I guess you like it. You want to put this back in the pocket?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Here's the pocket. Put it right there. It slides in right here. There you go. Good job. The next divider looks like this, and it's got a cut apart that says let's go explore, and it's got this dinosaur as well, which is that same dinosaur. I cut off the other part where it talked about it because I needed it to fit, so I just wrote it in, and it's the fast and mean meat eater. And I double kind of put the ribbon, so one ribbon, and the seam binding ribbon kind of like keeps that together because otherwise that was too thick to go through my eyelet. And then just some dinosaur eggs in the background there, but I think it turned out really cute. And that lives here. So then again, you have more journaling space like so. And then here's the third divider that just has another dinosaur and some writing and stuff, another little tab divider thing. And for these dividers, I don't think I showed you guys in my last video, but for the dividers, I'm using a punch, and it's just a tab punch. It literally is just a tab punch. So it looks like that, but that's how I make all of my tabs for anything. So I can link this down below for you guys as well. I'll find it and link it. In case you guys wanted to get that, but that's how I make all of my little tabs here for my dividers. And there's that sticker that I turned into a paper clip, this time on a gold clip, and I also matted the back. And then just more pages that my nephew can write on. And then back here is just another pocket with another cut apart, and this is a Stegosaurus, and it says the giant armored dinosaur, and just some writing on the back. So I thought that was super duper fun. I'm gonna be bringing it to him right now, so I hope he loves it. That is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was very happy to use this collection and to use at least a part of it, because it's not something I would normally use on my own. So that made me happy that he wanted dinosaurs, because I was like, yes, I could use some of this collection. But now I'm gonna struggle trying to figure out how to use the rest of it, but it's fine. I'll figure it out. We'll see. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I will have the links to the notebooks down below. I'll have the links to the tab down below. Let me know if you guys also want to see some kits, maybe, and let me know what theme kit you would like. Would you want a home theme, a fall theme, a Halloween theme, a Christmas theme? Like, let me know what kind of theme so that when I make some kits, if you guys are interested in that, I could cut up the paper and include some themes that you guys would have wanted. So let me know, and that's it. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.